Everybody, welcome back to Print City. I hope you guys are ready for another fun day. We're turning on the money printers again. So, team, we did get some economic data this morning. I think it was what was it? Q4 second GDP revision. You got the jobs report. We're going to be getting PCE data tomorrow. So we do have a lot of key data points that are going to be coming out over the next 48 hours. So definitely be on the lookout for that. SPY's up a little bit in the pre-market here. Another tiny baby little gap up here, up about 0.7% right now after the data. It's creeping up there, man. It is creeping up there to 405. I would not be surprised if we came back up and saw 410. Personally, I think going into April, the data that we're going to see most likely isn't going to be absolutely horrendous, and the market can take that pretty positively, especially with the way that they're pricing in these rate hikes going forward. So I think we could be in for an interesting couple of months here. And then you see Nvidia over here up a little bit, 1.21% in the pre-market here. You got Tesla up almost 1% over here at 195.68. You break this what is this? The pre-market level here at 196 there, you could start screaming up there to 200. You got AMD over here up 1.94. That's fucking sexy. I love seeing AMD almost at 100 especially for my long term. You got Netflix still running over here, 336. Holy shit, dude, this thing is running over here. This is right about where I sold my Netflix calls. What was that on this day right here? So again, things are starting to trend higher, guys. So this is going to be a really fun day. So team, again, make sure that you guys are slapping the literal living shit out of the like button on the way in. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithms, getting all of the wonderful things we have over here on these channels out to more people so that we can actually help retail investors make money. Because as you guys have seen time and time again, there are so many people that just have no fucking clue what they're doing in the market, guys. And they're just leading people to the slaughter and hurting people. So we want to be able to get in front of as many people as possible. So again, just hit that like button. It's the least you can do. Helps us out a whole lot. I'm ready to print with what you talked about last night. Ty Binks. I know. So guys, again, that midweek masterclass last night, if you guys haven't seen that yet, it's going to be nasty. Again, for you guys that have just seen it and it's the first time that you've ever heard of doing something like this, I would honestly kind of paper trade it a little first, just so that you guys get the understanding of it a little bit more. Yes, it's absolutely nasty. Yes, the risk is super tight. But again, you got to be careful with it. You never know. I use it every single day. It's pretty filthy. That's what I'm looking for. But again, team, little bit of housekeeping before we get into everything else over here. Everybody gets over 90% off their first month to the Trade 1348 platform. If you're not in there, I'm warning you guys. I'm warning you. If you drag your feet and you're fucking around with all this other nonsense, I mean, the prices of our normal monthly tier are going to be going up. So team, if you want to get in at this wildly low price that we're offering you guys, again, it's $5 for your first month right here. Then it goes up to the normal fee, but it could be going up in the future. And for all of you guys that are interested in 3-year and all the additional value that we're providing you guys up at those higher tiers, make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day. Gabe's going to be going live for you guys this morning. He's going to be using what we talked about last night. You get my midweek masterclasses. You get the Sunday masterclasses. There's a lot of value in there, team. Sorry I couldn't make it to the masterclass yesterday, but I caught up, and that strategy is nasty. It doesn't come often, but when it does, it prints. Exactly. It keeps you patient. GDP, I believe, was fine, Dimmelson. The market's headed higher. The market was really unchanged when GDP came out. Then I saw the jobs report come out. And it was more people were filing for unemployment benefits than previously expected, which is actually bullish for markets because the Fed it's giving the Fed the ability that they don't necessarily have to raise rates as much anymore. US Q4 final GDP was up 2.6% versus preliminary of 2.7. So the actual numbers, we grew less than expected, which again is almost giving us that inkling to be bullish in terms of what the Fed could do. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. Morning, folks. Love creating generational wealth with this group. Jay, fuck yeah, dude. I love that. Good morning, SUV. Yesterday, 6.27%, and fishing was great. Doing it again today. 30-minute workdays are awesome. Today is golf. There you go. See, you guys, I mean, again, you guys are becoming professional traders over here with us. I love to see it. Those of you guys that are on the outside, I really feel bad for you guys at this point, that somebody told you that this is not the way to go, or you heard something that you think you wanted to do better, and you're still in the same damn financial situation that you were before. So it is what it is. You guys all have the opportunity to hop in for $5, but let's see what else we got today. Holy shit, we have Fed speakers out the ass today. Oh my God. Boston Fed President Collins speaking at 12:45, Barkin speaking at 12:45, and then we got Cash Kari, Playboy Kari over here speaking at 1. At 4:30, Fed H41 report on bank lending. Very interesting here. The wicked white wicks are game changers for you. There you go. There you go, team. Welcome back to Print City. Welcome back to Print City, team. We are gonna have some fun today, dude. Yeah. So again, that masterclass last night is really, really, really important for you guys. So if you haven't seen that yet and you are in 3-year lifetime, make sure you guys go watch that. It's definitely something to be aware of with thigh gap. Why do I have? Okay, that's fine. Where's Tessie? 195, 40, 50. That's fine. eBay, no trades. AMD is just a monster, dude. You can talk the market down, but why though? See, this is what you have to think about now. Why would they do that? Yes, inflation is still high, but if you see the trend that inflation is on, it's coming down. So this rate hike, they're not going to do one next month because there is no, what do you call it? There is no Fed meeting in April. There's one in May. And they're going to see the data continuously trickle in. So I don't think they're going to make any drastic decisions now. If they are, it'll be at the end of April going into May. Let's see. Just switched from lifetime, you mean monthly to 3-year? Was going through, or oh, you mean the payment plan to 3-year? Yeah, okay. And was going through videos last night. Man, this is insane. If you're not in the 3-year, I'm telling you, get in this right now. Game changing. Gerald, I appreciate that, buddy. Dude, thank you for those kind words. Yeah, we put in a lot of effort in every aspect of what we do over here, but we really, really try to turn up the heat on the things that we're able to explain to you guys in 3-year. Again, just reach out to Diana if you guys are interested in that. But remember, the prices are going up on that at the end of this month. So, I mean, if you miss it, you miss it. We've been warning you guys all month long. But Gerald, thank you for those kind words, buddy. Been gone for a week. What did you miss? Dude, you should have seen these. But also, I saw this morning and I was like, hey, Baba, you motherfucker. Look at this. Baba up another 1.36% over here. I sold my Baba calls yesterday, like up in here above 100. Ends up going to 103, which is pretty dirty. And then this happens over here. I mean, this is basically at the levels that I was selling it at, but Baba's got the juice, bro. Like Baba's had the juice for a couple days. This is what you were looking for on Baba. It's like this sequential gap up. Like you've seen it here. It's like gap. It just goes. Like after you get these traffic lights, the fucker just goes. Mid-meek masterclass was a game changer. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Yeah. Shout out to all you guys in 3-year. Hopefully you guys had your eyes open from that one, because that one, I don't want Bob, I want Amanda. Yeah, I'm glad you guys like that one. And okay, so I was fucking around last night with the traffic lights for swings, because I know one of you, or the thigh gap, sorry, I always mix that up, but with the thigh gap for swings, and I found something. So next week, I have a week from today to test this out and make sure it's good to go. But for next week, I might be able to find a spot where you can basically snipe swing entries, which if you guys have seen how nasty swings can potentially get, if you can decrease the risk on them the way that we do with thigh gap now, oh boy. Remember what we were talking about yesterday with that dollar average versus $2 average? Oh, get ready for this, man. If this works the way that I think it does, oh, it's going to be absolutely filthy for those of you guys with 9-to-5 jobs. Like absolutely nasty. So let's see here. All right, guys. Again, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. We're 12 away from 50. I appreciate you guys. Thank you to everybody showing up early. I mean, SPY's looking interesting here. I still don't think we're going to have those wild days that we've seen. I mean, premiums are still relatively low. So we just kind of got to wait and see what's going to happen here. Yeah, so I mean, you can snipe the day trade entries, but there's 2 ways to do it. And I was actually looking at a different time frame that we never use, which is interesting. Because I was looking at it and I was like, are you fucking serious right now? This is what this looks like? And I haven't found this before? I was like, are you nuts? But yeah, I found some dirty shit for you guys. So again, if you want that, just reach out to Diana. She'll help you upgrade. But SPY just kind of teetering here. We got a long ways to go until open 2. We got, what, 36 minutes? Yeah, we're going to have some fun with that. Anything useful on Twitter, or are they just circle jerking blue balls on each other? I don't. Yeah, it's just all the data that came out earlier. That's really it. When you join 3-year, do you get access to the past masterclasses? Yeah, you get access to all of them. There's probably like a million of them now because Gabe's been going live in the morning. We have the Sunday masterclasses that are on platform. We have my midweek masterclasses. There's a lot of additional content over there for you guys to watch. You bought puts yesterday at 400. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? You just blindly shorten levels, buddy? Please don't do that. Please don't do that. That's crazy. Depends on how much time you have to expiration, but like I don't. I've almost switched my overall thesis and what I'm looking at in the market right now until things change. Like I'm not expecting a soft landing, but I'm also not expecting the data that's going to be coming out to be all that shitty. I just really don't. Can it? Yeah, it can definitely come out shitty. We have PCE tomorrow. That could be wild. But if PCE comes out all right, it's like, all right, we're in the home stretch. It's kind of how I would view things in terms of how the market's going to react to data. Because remember, the market is used to these hot inflation prints, these super low jobless claims report. You start to see that flip in the other direction. Oh, the market, the buyers can step back up. All right, team. 4 likes away from 50. I appreciate you, team. You missed the move up on Baba. You're waiting for the retest. You want it on the downside? I'd be careful with that. When you start to see, like, okay, NVIDIA is a great example. NVIDIA is a great example on the daily chart here, where this thing has just been fucking ripping since January. Just ripping, bro. So if you think about it like this, if you saw this initial 10% pop on Nancy and you just tried to blindly short at the 200 EMA, you're fucked. You try to short at this level, you're fucked again. You try to short at this level, oops, you're fucked again. You try to short at this level, oops, you're fucked again. You're fucked again. You're fucked again. You have to wait for that confirmation. Thanks, bro. You're hitting up Diana. There you go, Gary. So NVIDIA is a great example of this, where now it's at some pretty big levels here. But remember, I took these puts down to here, but this is just when everything's... Why is this all fucked up? Why is... Oh, this is what we were doing in Masterclass yesterday. Shit. Hold on. How do I... There we go. But that's a great example. It's like you need confirmation. You're waiting for those traffic lights to tell you. Let's see. I think everyone's just used to the thought. I mean, sort of, but it's not really fear, uncertainty, and doubt if it's true. GDP was already released. Hey, good morning to the Money Printed organization. Hope you all have an amazing day. Let's secure our future wealth. Kelly, let's do it, bro. Let's fucking do it. Tessie's flying around a little bit over here. What's the spy doing? Teetering. I'd love to see Tessie test 200 again. That'd be interesting. I wanna take you away. All right. Oh, eBay. Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Just finished the masterclass. It was fire. Thank you, Boring Trader. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, that class was ridiculously good. In my opinion, that was probably one of the best classes that I've ever done. It's a lot easier to go in and teach you guys when we're not on the stream because I have so many fucking moving parts going on when I'm here. When we do those private streams at night, I can just nail all the key points, teach it out, and we're good to go. The VIX is at 19. Oh shit, is it? Well, see, here's the thing though. The VIX can be at 19 with the price action that we've seen. Like overall volatility can come down. Like the volatility on the put side of the option chain has come down, but so is the call side. So yeah, VIX can be at 19, but that's not necessarily an indication that markets have just ripped. They sort of have rallied up a little bit from the low, but we're still kind of in that chop zone. Love seeing the matrix code. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Once you guys see the things that we're looking at over there, you're like, oh shit, that's what you were looking at? It's like, yeah, bro. Yep. Yep. Spy got a yellow light on the daily. What is interesting is the thigh gap showed this move up on the 16th. Yeah, I bet it did. There's a way. So next week's masterclass, we're going to talk about that thigh gap strategy with you guys with swings. And that's going to be fun. Always have a stop in place. Yes, always, 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 always have stops in place. eBay. eBay. That holds up there. That's going to be spicy. Okay. If you get 3-year now, do you lock in the current rate when it's time to renew? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, you're locking it in. I mean, the price goes up at the end of this week. And if you miss that, I mean, again, I know a lot of you guys are trying to wait till the last second there. I mean, there's no telling if Diana's gonna be able to get to everybody. Don't wait till the last minute if you're looking at getting it. I wanna take you away. Do 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 do. All right, let's see. Just haven't seen some of the streams. I appreciate it. No problem, JR. So glad I got in at 1348 originally for lifetime. There you go, bud. There you go. Yeah, all you lifetimers that took advantage of that deal. That was probably the deal of a lifetime, dude. When we were doing lifetime there. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we're just waiting till open, really. What do you think about the SPY on the broken traffic light that closed yesterday? That's a weekly. Why would it be broken traffic light? Oh, up? I don't hate it. You're above the 200 EMA here. I don't hate this. If you look at where's thigh gap. Oh, dude. Thigh gap. I love it, dude. Yeah, I was getting you in on these candles here at like 385 for this run up to 403. That's pretty fucking nasty. Oh, that's pretty dirty, dude. I love our tools, man. I don't know how anybody else trades in this market without these tools that we provide you guys. I seriously don't. Traffic lights, thigh gap. People just love pissing money away, I guess. Morning, sir. Upgraded to 3-year. Junior. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I don't hate that. That's an interesting one there. OG Lifetime was the best investment this year. Thank you, Angel. SB the masterclass last night. We should be able to use the 1-minute speed research and check the 3-minute for the strategy. No. You don't want to do that. I mean, you can. It's just you're probably going to be late because it's probably getting you in before. Oh yeah. So yes. Because if you overlay it, let's say 1051. Let's go to 1051 yesterday. Yeah, you're right. I mean, you're right before the 1-minute traffic light here. Right before. So it's really close. But you're still gonna get in earlier usually with the using it on the 3-minute. So you're front running it. Can't wait for next week's masterclass. It's going to be epic. It is going to be epic. When we're releasing thigh gap. We already did. It's for lifetime and 3-year. Let's see. All right, team. All right, 25 minutes to go until open. This is going to be an interesting day, man. This is going to be a very interesting day. Tessie holding on here. The white lights are signaling to you that a traffic light is incoming. Let's see. Good morning, Moto. What up, buddy? Let's see. I mean, eBay's still up there, bro. You're welcome, Scuba Steve. You are welcome, buddy. Ooh, I got some more of you affiliates I got to approve over here. Hello. There you guys go. You refer a couple people, your membership is free. Let's see. I wanna take you away. All right. What stocks are you guys looking at today? I mean, I'm going to be looking at the same ones that I always do, but what are you guys looking at? Netflix is just ripping, bro. Moto, don't be doing that YOLO bullshit. AMD. Yeah, I mean, AMD's up a bunch in the pre-market here, 1.67. If you slip a couple of these levels down here, 97.25, you can see some selling. Coin. Okay, I can take a look at Coin. Yeah, Coin's up 2. Google. Baba's an interesting one. NCLH. I know a lot of you guys have liked swinging NCLH. Oh, this was up 5 yesterday. I would really wait for a retest. This is already oh my God. This is nasty. If you look at this on the daily, this is probably about to daily. Yeah, it's hunting the daily. Yeah, it's hunting on the daily here. That's nice. Google was another one. Let's see. Yeah, Google's slipping in the pre-market here, though. Holy shit! Stock banger. Thank you so much for that generous super, buddy. Welcome back, bro. Holy shit, bud. You did not have to do that, man. Thank you so much for that super, dude. Jesus. Pepe just recap yesterday's masterclass. Good stuff. There you go. DraftKings. We can take a look at this really quick. What time? Also, if you guys are talking about tickers, time frames. I need time frames. DraftKings was up 7% in a day. Jesus. Damn, stock banger, dude. Thank you so much for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. What was the other one? Lulu to the downside. What time frame? I need time frames. I mean, this is just at earnings. It gapped up, or not gapped up, but I mean, it ripped on earnings. Get money, team. Stock banger, 100%, buddy. Thank you so much, though, dude. I appreciate that. Oxy is a banger overnight. Is it? Oh, dude, we were looking at Oxy yesterday, and we were like, oh, I don't hate it. I mean, it's only up 1%. It's not bad. It's not like the best. I mean, if you look at this on the 4-hour, you got that retest of the 200. You look at this on the daily, retested it here. You're up a little bit. That's not bad. I mean, Oxy doesn't look terrible here. Oxy doesn't look bad. Oh, I see a lot of slackers on the like button this morning. Uh-oh, team. Keep smacking on the way in. Don't be a slacker. Don't be a slacker. I wanna take you away. Do. Let's see here. All right, folks. Let's see. Let's see. Snap on the 4 hour. It lighted yesterday. Interesting. Interesting. What do we got? No, it couldn't. I was no. This is Tuesday. Tuesday were the lights. Army Axis? No. Nope. We've been over this a lot. No. Let's see. Uh-oh, we might have a bag holder lurking. Singing, humming, whistling, and clicking all in a 90-second period. You're on fire today. I know. I know. I know. Let's see. All right. Keep the tickers coming, team. Let's do it. Also, I kind of want to get a soundboard so we can do call-ins on these streams too. That would be fun. Let's see. Dude, Netflix. Dude, that Netflix trade was dirty. Baba trade was filthy. I was hunting most of the other one. I was looking at DraftKings. I just never took it. That would have been another banger. Levels on SPY. I mean, 400. I mean, I'm just looking at really at the EMAs here. That's really all it is. GDP already came out. 8:30. GDP already came out. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's see. Yeah, it was in line with expectations. Yeah, it was. It was right in line with expectations. Let's get this. Cool. No, GDP was fine. Jobs report was fine too. How more people were filing for unemployment benefits than expected, which can give which is what the market was doing here. This is when it was reading those jobs numbers and then whoop, right back up. I mean, you've got some room here if you really want to get spicy here. You do have some room. XPEV has been treating you well for a swing. Yeah, Chinese EV company. This thing's been ripping. Yeah, I mean, the 4 hour traffic light here got you in at 8:22. The thing's at 11. That's a monster trade, dude. That is a monster trade. These traffic lights are filthy. If you're not trading with the traffic lights at this point, I don't know, man. I mean, people just want to get led to the slaughter these days. It's okay if you want to lose money in the market, that's cool. But everybody's got access to $5 for their first month in the platform. The QR code's on the screen. You don't take advantage of that. I mean, you might just be destined for failure in your life. It is what it is, man. You guys have seen the success of our members over here versus other communities. It's night and day. It is night and day. So again, QR code on the screen. I can throw the link in the live chat for you guys too. For those of you guys that missed it or don't know how to use QR codes, just use code Print City and you guys are good to go. Facebook's going down. Facebook is knifing here a little bit. I know, waiting for the lights. Yeah, you got to always wait for the confirmation on the lights, guys. The traffic lights are going to lead you to the promised land. Yeah, Google was down too. Let's see. How much time we got left? 15-ish minutes. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Ooh, guys, we're 20 likes away from 100. Thank you, team, for running those up. Catch you after. Headed over to Gabe's Morning Masterclass. Let's print. team. Again, make sure you guys are reaching out to Diana before the end of the week. If you guys want to upgrade, get after it, man. That's going to be a good stream over there with Gabe. Get ready for that one, team. Where's my stuff? I thought I just had it. It's right here. Let's see. What's up, Doug? How you doing, buddy? I'd have to take a look at that daily cheesecake. Masterclass time. Be back later. Michael, later, buddy. Later, guys. Yeah, have fun in that Masterclass team. I know you guys will have fun as usual. Go make some money with Gabe. Oh, that's going to be fun. Morning, Vic. See you in a bit. Let's get some thigh gap. Oh, dude, the thigh gap's so nasty. I'm going to play with it a little bit, I think, today. It'll be fun. Play with it a little. Hunt some swings. Do my thing. As we usually do. As we usually do. I wanna take you away. Let's see. Yeah, Facebook is dying over here. Good morning, SV. Hit the like button, people. Be back in here after I'm done chilling with Gabe. There you guys go. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. If you guys are headed over to Masterclass and you haven't hit that like button yet, I would prefer that you do so. I was testing out the triplets on the 1 hour a few times. It got burned on SQQ, but you said not to do it, so you're done. Yeah, I told you not to do it. Why? But we've never taught you the 1 hour because there's a reason for it. Guys, everything that we teach you guys is for a very, very specific reason. Our bots use exactly what we are telling you guys. Our most successful members are using exactly what we are telling you guys. If you try to reinvent the wheel or try to think you're smarter than the market or smarter than the system, you're going to lose. That's why the system works so well, because it is dummy proof. If you introduce dummy elements to it, you're going to get fucked. Volume? Nah. You can throw volume up, but I'm not going to, you're just going to cloud the chart at this point. On Bitcoin, yeah, I'd be fine. Yeah, Bitcoin, that's fine because it's continuous. It never closes. So if it never closes, you're fine. But the thing is on the 1 hour with equities, you have that overnight risk that you do not want to be subjected to, especially with options. It doesn't make any sense. Oh, you guys are ripping the like button now. I appreciate you, team. Let's see. Why is Facebook dying? I don't know. It just is. I mean, I haven't seen any news on it. I could look for some, but do I really care? Not really. I mean, I'm just going to trade it the same way that I would anyway. Like looking at, that's not what I want. Meta, news, rolls out long sought tools to separate ads from harmful content. That came out yesterday, I believe. But Facebook's also introduced like a new, for Instagram, you can verify yourself now like Twitter's doing. So like that could be a nice little revenue boost there for them. So, I mean, their guidance on earnings probably going to be all right. So we'll see what happens there. SV with the fresh cut. Thank you, team. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, folks. Much love at 6:18 in the morning. Peace and love. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I wanna take you away. Dude, that song's been stuck in my head all week long, and I just can't stop. Please don't stop the music. All right, I also made the executive decision that I am going to be going back to college this weekend for a day. Against my better judgment, I will be going. So, YOLO. See what happens. I like really I just don't. I don't know. It's gonna be weird. You're sticking to the rules this time. Only after 10, after 2. Yeah, exactly. The rules are there for a reason, team. The rules are there for a reason. Let's do it, Kenny. You, what up, buddy? How you doing? I wanna take you away. All right, let's see. Yeah, it kind of is. To party? Yeah, pretty much. For just one day. I don't see this is like I take my partying seriously. I want to go sit at a college bar. I really don't. But like I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna be in a good mood and I'm gonna go for it. It's just I'm gonna let it fly. It's just there are specific reasons why I don't want to go back there, but I'm just gonna say fuck it, YOLO, and do it. Because I can. Oh, Tessie back up. 10 minutes to go until open. Party like a professional. That's how it's done properly. Yeah, like so here's the thing. Here's the thing. I'm choosing going back over doing something like really fucking cool this weekend. Which like would have been kind of weird, but like it would have still been cool. So I need to like make it worth it, you know? You know? All right, guys, we got 9 minutes here. This is gonna be a fun day. None of the other kids you knew will be there. It won't matter. No. That's not what I'm saying. That's not why I don't want to go back. I'm weird. Once I leave, I don't come back. I see no purpose in doing it. So it just irks me to go back. But like I'm gonna do it. That's not it. I just like don't want to go because in my brain I have it set up where I will that once I leave, I never wanted to ever go back. I didn't even go to graduation, bro. I was like, fuck that nonsense. I was like, once I'm out, once I'm done with my class, I see ya. I'm out of here. I'm going to fucking live. I'm a peacock. You gotta let me fly. You know how much flying you can do in college? I mean, not much. Like you can have fun, but like it's different. It's not real fun. Real fun is fun. Hold on. Yeah, I have some interesting short form videos that I can make for you guys today too. One of them has to do with like big institutions because people just are so scared of them for some reason, and there's literally no reason to be. Most people that are running big amounts of money are not smart, and they're not actually the ones managing the money. People just like this is also what I say too, guys. Like when people have no idea what the fuck they're talking about. I mean, this is one of the things they talk about these institutions in a way where it's like they're doing this. No, they're not. Sorry, they're not. So I'll probably make that video for you guys. It's like markets are going to move the way that they're going to move. And most of the time it's like randomized. Supply and demand is really all it is. Not fucking supply and demand zones. That's fucking fancy support and resistance. But you know what I mean. All right, 7 minutes to go. Keep ripping that like button on the way in. And remember, guys, you guys see that QR code on the screen. Everybody has access to over 90% off their first month. You want to take advantage before the prices? I'm warning you. The prices will be going up. You're going to want to get in before they do. Let's see. Mullen's a piece of shit, bro. I'll pull up Mullen right now for you. It's up 15%. Oh, that's great, bro. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Oh, yeah, piece of shit. Piece of shit. Let's see. Yes, you are. All those people that are fucking like bag holding on these stocks when they're up 12% of the day, they're like, see? It's literally just calling attention to like you sucking at trading. Like, don't do that to yourself. Guys, please stop fucking around with these bullshit stocks, guys. Please. I cannot stress this enough. You're fucking yourselves over so hard. You bought it 2 days ago? Well, then good for you. Most people didn't. Should you still be fucking around with those? No. Let's see. Also, I'm pretty sure that would have been a traffic light too. So you literally just followed the 1348 system without realizing it. Like, so either way, you're proving my point. Oh no. Some of us like it. Some of y'all are fucking weird. Like, let's just piss money away. All right. I would rather just like, so many better ways to piss money away, guys. Also, I think I'm gonna get a hotel when I come back to college. This is so weird, dude. I feel like such a fucking adult. It's so weird. Going back to college, I'm getting a hotel. I'm also going to Florida next weekend. You're dumping it tomorrow. Dude, I like feel like an adult. Yeah, that's fine. Dude, see, why'd you have to come in here and phrase it like that? You traded it. You made a good trade. You didn't say, oh my God, it's gonna rip all the way back up to fucking 10 or whatever the fuck it was. Like, but either way, you're taking on way too much risk. It's not worth it. I would rather just trade SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, make more money than I would on fucking bullshit penny stocks and then chill. Bed Bath and Beyond, what's that doing? Ah! This thing's at 70 cents? You fucker. I wish I held my fucking puts. Oh my God. What the? Are you kidding me? Because I shorted this. This was what I shorted. Fuck. Oh, come on, man. That would have been nasty. I made 90 something percent on those. Oh, man. It's all right. Next time. Next time, I'll nail these pieces of shits even more. I think they were weeklies too. I think that's why I was out of them for like 90%. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Yeah, traffic light on the SPY. I saw that. What part of Florida? I mean, I'm flying into Miami. I'll tell you that. Am I staying in Miami? No. Bed Bath & Beyond files for stock offering of 300 million of common stock. Oh my God. Do you guys realize how fucking terrible that is? That's over 300 million shares. Oh my God. They just fucked you. Oh, damn. Go to Orlando. I love Orlando, dude. Orlando's fun as hell. You're in Miami? Nice. Oh, boo-hoo. Bed Bath & Beyond did everything that we fucking told you it would. That's why you don't fuck around with bullshit stocks, because of that shit. Dude, that was a great stream sequence. Go from Mullen to just offering on Bed Bath & Beyond, seeing it at 7 where I shorted it. Or, I mean, I wasn't a short. I bought puts. But, same deal. All right, 2 minutes for the ding-ding. Here we go. This is going to get spicy. Guys, I'm like going for Easter. I'm not like going to party. Data was, I mean, I would say the data was basically neutral, but leaning bullish for markets. 42 seconds until open. I hope you guys are ready. Welcome back to Print City, everybody. Here we go. Lulu. That's a run off of earnings. I'd be careful with it. I know a lot of you guys are interested in Lulu. I would just be careful with it right after earnings like that. You're going to still see like lingering IV pump. I mean, it could fall, but like the thing can do whatever it wants at this point. That's looking a little juicy. 15 seconds. You're 10 seconds ahead of me. Now just bash. Oh, AMC's bullshit too with Ape. That's fucking nonsense. I told you guys that the day it fucking came out that it was bullshit. And I was right. Ooh, I'm up. Ooh, that's nice. SPY fucking around. Let me see here. I want to see if I can get a fill. I want to see if they'll get me there. I want to take you away. Tessie ripping. Come on, give me my fill, you motherfucker. Come on. SPY fucking around. Yeah, they're going to give me that, I think. No. Oh, didn't get that one. Let's see. Yeah, SPY 3-minute 48 here. Let's see if they get me on this. Order filled. Scaling out of Tessie swings for 20%. Fuck you. That's what I like to see right there. Give me my money, bro. Give me that money. Thank you. Easy peasy lemon fucking squeezy. And I'm up nicely on this other swing too. I'm up 10 on those. I'm up about 20% on my Tessie swings. Nice, bro. AMD? What's AMD doing? Also, I missed that one. AMD getting a nice little push. eBay. Nancy. All right, let's see. Yeah. Whoa, Amanda's. Dude, look at that. Long term for the win. Yeah, I'm up a lot on these Tessies over here. That's pretty good. About 20% on that swing. I'll let that go. I mean, I've already realized significant gains on there, so we'll see what happens on that. When do you think they'll make the swing video? I was going to make it last night, but I was fucking dead after the Masterclass yesterday, so I'll probably make it tonight, post it next week, or maybe this weekend. AMD with some boom candles, bro. Make me some more money in the long term, why don't you? Yeah, I'm up a lot on these. I mean, the Tessies, I'm up a lot. I have eBay swings too. So now you can't have them because they're up a lot. So that would be silly of you to get those. But yeah, the eBays look good. I might scale out of these at some point too. We'll see. Like Tessie's just fucking around here. I was expecting this to get me on the scale out, and now I can just fuck around with it and let it fly. So the contracts that I bought them at 750. Sold some at 895. So that's great. I'll take that all day long. I wanna take you away. Nothing's happening with the SPY here. Nothing actionable. Nancy fucking around a little bit. It's not really moving with AMD. AMD directly out of level here, though. If it can break that, it could get spicy, or this thing could come screaming right back down. It would need some help with Nancy here, though. All right, keep smacking that like button on the way in, people, and make sure you guys are reaching out to Diana if you guys do want to upgrade to 3-year. And remember, everybody gets access to their first month to the platform, the best trading platform for retail investors that have ever. You guys have seen it many times in the past. Our results. Here's that link right there. Use code Print City. You guys are all good to go. Welcome to the promised land, man. Oh, there goes Tessie a little. What are these at now? So I bought those at what? 750. They're still at 895. That's fine. NVIDIA and AMD are so money long term. Yeah, I mean, you guys know when I bought AMD. So this is me looking at it is just for fun. I bought it at like 12 or 13. So God damn Netflix. Jesus, bro. You're screaming up to here. Wow, you're making me wish I held these swings, bro. Jesus. Yeah, I don't really see anything actionable for day trades right now. Yep. Remember, we also have Fed speakers out the ass today coming in later. We have Boston Fed, Collins, we got Barkin, we got Playboy Kari speaking. We got a lot of Fed speakers coming in today. Yeah, Tessie Shark, to be expected, honestly. Nancy or AMD coming down. Nancy holding a little bit here, but that's interesting. And remember, guys, what we were talking about yesterday in the masterclass? What does this look like? What does the thigh gap look like on Nancy right now? Looks like chop. Yeah, Tessie got murdered there. So good skip. TLT running? No, not really. Yeah, so I've got a big buffer now on these Tessie swings that I like. Spy starting a little slippage here. All right, let's see. And it's a big boy candle on Tessie. I would not be surprised if this thing continued lower, but we'll see. I mean, I don't really care. It's off of the swing. Scaled out at 20%. Thank you. I mean, I'll take that all day long. 20% on a swing? It's nasty, bro. That's nasty. That's the other thing I like about swings too. If they like open up higher, I mean, I skip my 10% scale out so I can actually realize more money on them. Spy does have this 3-minute traffic light here to the downside. I don't hate that. How are premiums today? Ooh, these are cheap. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Google, what's up with Google? Oh, Google could get interesting. Yeah, Google could get interesting here. Where's it? I want this on the 3-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching Google. Let's see. Daily Bread, if you keep that up, I'm gonna time you out. I don't know what the fuck you're doing over there. Let's see. Yeah, you gotta watch that 403.50. I mean, this thing does look like it's melting, but let's see. No, it's just teetering. Tessie trying to chill here, but nothing. Google's really piquing my interest here. Google has me interested. Yeah, Spy coming back up. Huh. No, but it just shows me something about your character that you would still even pay attention to people like that. I mean, it tells a lot. Tells a lot. Let's let's see. What's this look like on the 1 minute? Is this hang? Oh, it's the 1 minute 200. That's what this is. That's what you're fucking with here. All right, let's see what we get here. Yeah, Google does look a little interesting on this. Goog. What do we got here? Tessie back to 196. Spy doing its thing. Up 10% of the port from some spy calls held overnight. Sold out for Fed speakers. At a boy, Hork. Tessie looks good. What are my Tessies back up? The Tessies are up 18.67. That's pretty good. The eBays are looking good. Damn, there you go. Fred, it has to do with voting rights. All right, let's see. Fed speakers at 10? No. I think it's 12:30, 12:45 is when the Fed speakers start. I think that's when we start getting them. Spy trying to get back above this 3 minute 13. It just bounced off the 1 minute 200 here, though. What was the other one that was doing this? Facebook? Yeah, Facebook already did it, though. I mean, this was the opening candle that it did it on. Tessie's just flashing around doing a whole lot of zero. Let's see. Made 20% on the play. There you go, Hork. Yeah, Spy might be doing another test here, that 1 minute 200, but this is slow movement today so far. Very, very, very slow movement across the board. Netflix still looking strong. AMD can't get above this level here. Nvidia's doing a whole lot of nothing. And Ivan, no, it's just for 3-year and OG lifetime. Dude, this price action is so slow. Baba's a printer this week. Dude, I made so much fucking money on Alibaba. It was so nasty. So nasty on Baba. Google trying here. Let's see. She's about to hit 105? Fucking Jesus, dude. I wish I didn't sell those yesterday. That would have been fun. Spy teetering, Google teetering. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, Spy trying again back to the upside. Five-minute traffic light down. Your input's already hoping for. Well, you need to break that 1 minute 200 here. That's what you're really looking at on Spy. Let's see. AMD hunting 100, is it? Oh, Amanda! There we go, bro. Love that, dude. Love to see Amanda go on a nice little ripski there. I love that. Spy moving a little. Yeah, I mean, Spy's hunting. Not doing anything crazy here, but it's hunting. Google's just fucking around. It's interesting to me, though, this morning drop. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. All right, here's what we're going to do. Let's see if I can catch a fill here on this. Crazy amount of Tesla traffic lights altogether. What, the 1 minute? Yeah, probably. I just have it on the 5 because I have it on swings. I'm not really looking to day trade it. Oh, they filled me. Thank you. Yeah, I'm up 14% on the eBay swings. Right now, the Tessies after the scale out are still up 17. I scaled out at 20. Looking good across the board, dude. 15 minutes and done for the day. 4.9% in going golfing. If you hate being broke as a joke, sign up. Nicky Ricky, again, I appreciate that so much, dude. I mean, you guys have been printing a lot. You can't help everybody, man. You really can't. So, everybody, I'm giving you the opportunity of a lifetime to come in with your first month to the Trade 1348 platform for $5. So, again, you guys can take advantage of it with code Print City, or you can keep sitting on the sidelines, losing money, listening to morons. It is your choice. Spy coming up, Tessie looking good. Spy 404. Let's see. Let's see. The Neo up 130%. There you go. If a Fed speaker speaks sometime that day, should you stay out of trading? You can if you want to. If you just want to avoid Fed speakers. I mean, I don't really see a reason why you need to avoid the whole entire day just because somebody's opening their mouth. Yeah, 17% on the eBays now. I scaled out a little bit. SPY just flickering, doing a whole lot of zero. Tessie, same deal. Yeah, you guys are crushing it, dude. Yeah, premiums just are stuck, bro. They're not moving. They're just not moving, which is fine. I mean, you can leave them there. That's perfectly okay with me. Let's see. This is like SPY on the 1 minute is literally nothing. It's doing zero. All right, let's see. You're in an Apple 1 minute call. I mean, thigh gap's telling you to fuck off, but we'll see what happens with it. Thigh gap's telling you that's probably not the best idea. Nancy in the 1 minute. Let's see. 16% on the eBays. That's pretty good, dude. SPY's, it's coming back down to that 1 minute 200 here. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. I appreciate you guys. You're bouncing off that 1 minute 200 again. Yeah, AMD was hunting 100 there for a second and then got sharked. Tessie is literally just zigzagging here. Let's see. This market sucks, bro. Oh, look at this. Look at this. eBay. Up about 18% on those. That's pretty good. I already scaled out a little bit of them, though. That's pretty good. I love these swings, bro. These swings have been monsters. What happened to Weeble's VWAP? Lulu's going. You're hunting that one, dude. You have been hunting Lulu there. What are we gonna get here? Yeah, 17% on Tessie calls, 18% on eBay calls. I'm up 7.5% on this other day trade that I have here that I could scale out of right now, but I don't really wanna because I think this has some more juice on it. Let's see. Nah, I could scale out of it, but I'll move the order. I'll move the order. Let's see. S&P hits highest intraday level since March 6th. Market's terrible. Unless you break, I mean, you'd have to break 404.25. Can it? Yeah. Is it gonna? I don't know. Let's see. Bitcoin waiting for the dump. I mean, you might get it, but let's see. All right, we'll see. It's just slow, bro. Like everything, it's that's why I've been so like amped up on the swings because they've just been so much better. Like this intraday action is fucking awful. It literally has a range of 403.51 to 404.15. That's nothing. What's Tessie up to? It's just barcoding. It's not doing much. This is literally why I've been so amped up on the swings. I'm like, all right, well, if everything's gonna fuck around like this, why bother? There's no juice to be squeezed without a real direction. Yeah, pretty much, bro. The swings are doing great. Like, I mean, again, that's kind of all I'm really looking at here. Just kind of fucking around with the swings and then this other small day trade that I have. And this, honestly, after this trade's over, I'm probably not taking much else unless I see something really fucking good, which is what this one is. So I'm like, all right, well, the risk reward on this one is absolutely filthy. So let's see what happens with it. So just mind-numbingly slow. Ivan, I don't know. Come on. Come on. No, yep, there you go. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't be that way. Don't do that to me. Don't come up right to the order and then just fuck me. Yeah, that's gotta fill there. Come on, fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it. Yup, filled it. Thank you. That's a 14% scale out. So, guys, those of you guys that were in the masterclass with me yesterday, I just did the exact fucking same thing on Google. Looking at this right here, what did we see? Extension down here, dark to light on the 3 minute, nice little move up. I scale out at about 12.5%, throw a stop at break even. I am done. See how easy that is? Boom, QR code back on the screen. Make sure you guys read, dude, that masterclass yesterday was fucking nasty for you guys. Nasty. Yeah, so I'm going to throw this stop at break even and let this thing go. So 18.5% on eBay, 16% on Tesla. I'll bite. I'll bite here. I'll take that scale out again. I'll take another scale out there. You want it there. You should hit that. That you should hit at like 16%. That's fine. Just got a 2% port game from an Apple call. Thank you, 1 minute traffic light. There you go. I mean, you guys see like what I'm talking about in the from the masterclass? That Google trade was fucking nasty. Easy scalp there, dude. I'm up, still up 11.5% on these. Stop and profit, let the fucker go. You just took the same trade, 10.8%. You're out. At a boy, Holden. Like, if this thing runs all the way back up here, I'm going to be so nasty. You might have to cut the girlfriend. She's been constantly distraction. Need to get in the class one of these days. Yeah, tell her to fuck off. Tell her to leave you alone. We got big shit to do over here, team. We got money to make. Just like me, up 15, 16% on Google calls because of using exactly what I showed you guys yesterday. Easy. Oh, they never hit that scale out. You got to hit that, bro. Yeah, they hit that. A penny lower. That's fine. So, all right, those are some good scale outs there. Taking some money back off of the swings. Still got some decent exposure on them. I like it. I like it. Masterclass was banging again, of course. This thigh gap strategy from last night, so nasty. DraftKings printed on it on the 3 minute. Good shit, Tort. Well, I hit it on Google. I hit this on Google. So I'm up right now. Now they're up 10%. They were up 16. I mean, I scaled out at like 12 or 13. Yeah, I think those are 13% scale outs. It happened on Google. So now I have a stop and profit on the remaining position. I'm going to let this motherfucker go. Technically, I could still be in the entire position with the thigh gap strategy. The Googles that I have are tomorrow's. But remember, guys, premiums aren't moving around all that much. So, like, even when it went down on me a little bit, I think the most I was ever down on that trade was 3%, I think. But, guys, masterclass, there you guys go. Keep smacking that like button on your way back in. And for those of you guys that are interested, I mean, you guys would be missing out on a wild opportunity if you're not hopping in there, man. It's pretty sweet. And with the $5 for your first month thing. Thank you again for that class. Very helpful. Thank you, Tor. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, that's what I've been using and nailing these trades with, and it's been dirty. It's been dirty. I mean, this kind of sucks here that it can't get above this 3 minute 13. If it ends up getting above, I mean, I'd hunt this 101.41. I don't know if it's going to get there though, and it would probably stop me out before that. I don't know. These contracts are moving really slow unless this thing really nice back down to here, which it is. I'm still in it. Let's see. I have a stop and profit. Let's see. Ooh, that tapped it. Yeah, they just took it. Cool. Easy trade there. Easy money. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, GDP was out at 8:30, guys. It was a little bit lower than expected. Yeah, so also I did grab a SPY hedge yesterday. So the account today isn't as up as much as it should be. I was like, "Nah, I mean, you're screaming up. We got data tomorrow. Just wanted to hedge it short term because these contracts have a lot more time. So if it tanked today, I was like, all right, well, it was like 0.2%, Reese. It was like I think it was like 2.7 versus 2.9 or 2.5 versus 2.7. It was something like that. End phase might be worth looking at. Yeah, definitely. End phase is Netflix shark there. Oh, and look. Oh, you guys see it on Netflix here too. You get it on this candle at like, let's say you're getting the mid of this candle, 341.61 all the way down. Dude, oh my God, these masterclasses are printing. All right, let's see. Yeah, I mean, Google's still hanging on here. I just don't really give a shit. It still hasn't gone. So we can watch this Google trade for those of you guys that were watching the stream yesterday. This one is still technically valid by looking at this here. I just wanted to get my scale out because sometimes on the 3-minute price can move a little bit more than you want. SPY's now starting to finally get below that 1 minute 200. Let's see if this thing actually closes down there, if it just rips right back up. Daniel, the Google trade is really good. All right, SPY finally got that break. You probably got the 3-minute here too. Yeah, you got the 3-minute telling you. I would almost say retest the 200 would probably be good, or you could just use the 200 as your risk because it's so close. I mean, it's 403.42 versus 403.59. That's right there. That's super, super, super tight risk, man. Now it's coming back up. There's that test. Tessie slipping. Google. Yeah, that was a good trade. It's just premiums just aren't moving. They're just not moving. Like even with this movement, my contracts are barely moving. The ones that I have for the swings, barely. And I've scaled out nicely on them, so it's like, yeah, leave it be. Leave it be. Oh, we're 9 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. I want this back on the 3. Dude, that Netflix one was dirty. Thank you for explaining for how to read the thigh gap candles on Masterclass. Mike, no problem, buddy. That's my job. Q1 ends tomorrow, so you're just going to paper trade, saving capital for April. There you go, man. There you go. I want to take you away. That was probably another 1 minute 200 test. Yeah, it's getting there. My goal is to make enough to one day, hopefully soon, to upgrade to the 3-year from the lifetime payment plan. Love the system. It's your crack. There you go, Kenny. There you go, buddy. I think you're gonna get there. The path that you're on, I think you're gonna get there, buddy. Bed Bath & Beyond put soon? Hell no, bro. Wait, did it rip off the? I mean, the offering you sent. No, no, no. It's down 6%, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why do we want to chase? Oh, I'm gonna. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Oh, geez. Guys, why would we try and chase puts on a stock that's already down 6.5%? Why would we do that? That doesn't make sense. The Tessie right back up. Institutions outflows retail mostly. I'm gonna make a little short form video for you guys. People don't understand what like you could have $1 billion under management and literally do nothing with it. Like people think that like these institutions are like these big bad figures. They're not. It's mostly automatic. They're not actually that smart, guys. You have to realize this. And once you do, you're like, all right, well, the market becomes a lot simpler. Into a terminal spring. Yeah, get that nonsense out of here, bro. Terminal spring. Yeah, no, 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 no. That's not. You need traffic lights, is what you need. No, none of that nonsense. Let me know who else has a video of their members on their channel turning 8 grand into $1 million, and then maybe I'll consider their strategy. But until then, we're going to keep using the traffic lights and printing. Let's see. We need a movie on you legendary 1348 geniuses. We don't have to do that, bro. All we want is you guys printing. SPY, nice little retest there. I don't like any of this. It's all so slow. Let's see. That Netflix move on the thigh gap was fucking dirty. That's like $3 right there. You're welcome. All you master people, that was a dirty one. Mike, there you go. Your SPY shows you're above the 48 on the 1 minute. We're not. No. Up 105% this year. I think we're good. There you go, Vito. And Reese, I hate to say this like that, but if your strategy is telling you to like go short side on a stock that's already down 6% in a day, that's a fucking nonsense strategy. I'll tell you right now. And when I say these things, guys, I'm trying to help you. You have to realize that this is all, whenever I come in and just drop the hammer, you have to realize it's always for your own good. Took two thigh gap trades, lost one, but I'm another one about to make back and then some. Exact. See how tight they are? The losses are so tight. Oh, above the 200. Oh, it might be your colors. It's probably your color. Oh, but yeah, you need real-time data and pre-market. You only asked my opinion. No, that's fair. That's fair. But like, if you see a stock down 6%, it wouldn't even cross my mind to get puts on it. One, it's a shitty stock like Bed Bath and Beyond, so the premiums are going to be jacked up anyway. It's below $1, so I'm not trading that anyway. It's already down 6%. No, 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 I'm not going anywhere near that. All right, something just happened here on the SPY. A little sharky shark here. Is this news? No, it wasn't news. This is so nasty, Vix. Wow. Isn't it really good, Tor? That's what I've been using all week. It's fucking dirty. Next week, guys, we're going to talk about how to use it for swings. I found something, and it could be really dirty. So how big is this candle? Like, what, 20 cents? 50 cents. That's a big candle for what we've seen. Yeah. Let's see what we get here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tor, oh, hold on. I'll show you this one on Netflix here. Guys, again, I'll show you this again. Look at this. You're getting in on this Netflix one. This is definitely far enough away from neutral like we were talking about yesterday. You're getting in on this candle. Yeah, and we were talking about you're getting in at the midpoint on this 3-minute candle, which is very, very, very possible. 341.60 down to 336. This thought, I'm telling you guys, that is the way. Look at that. Look at that. I wish I saw that one. I saw the Google one and nailed that one, but the Netflix one was even dirtier. Dixie finally got a bid, but it's not looking too strong. For AMD, theoretically, would you have entered on the reversal on the 1 minute or the light? I can look at AMD. I probably 3-minute. I would have gone in here. This would have been the candle that I was on with AMD. So, Daniel, looking at the thigh gap and the things that we were talking about in the masterclass yesterday. Watch, I'll remove the code again. Again, you're far enough away. Right here. This is the key. And again, midpoint. Let's just be nice with it. And even if you go on the bottom of it, what's that? 98. 85, you still get basically like an 80 cent is 60 to 80 cent drop on this thing, even if you're being really, really mean with it, buying it at this level. Thigh gap for the win, dude. Oh, end phase for 35%. Nice. Matthew, Speed Racer is coming soon. Thigh gap, that's for exclusive to lifetime in 3 year. Like, dude, that Netflix move is disgusting. Yeah, so again, if you guys do wanna get all those extra streams, all those extra things that we're providing you guys up in the upper tiers, just reach out to Diana, she will help you out. But for all you guys sitting on the sidelines, man, I mean, now's the time. Let's see. If you for like coming in as like a normal monthly member, here you guys go. Here's that link. Use code Print City. $5 for your first month. There you go. If I'm trading you pro, does that mean I have real time data? No, no, no. You have to pay like $2 a month for each. It's like an extra $6 a month. Theoretically, you should never have a red day ever again with this strategy. Not necessarily, Ty Banks. I mean, you could still do some dumb shit, but your losses will be a lot smaller. And like we talked about yesterday, remember that average. So let's say that move was the average move that you're getting is $1. With the new thing that we were talking about with you guys yesterday, the average move could be $2 or $1.50. You were watching Google earlier. Based on what you were saying in the video, it looked like Gabe used it a little different, more conservatively. Yeah, he does. I use it in that sense that I was talking about in the video. But there's multiple ways to skin the cat. Join the best decision I made. Get that $5 promo. There you go. See Rich. The end phase 4-hour candle. Oh boy, is it nasty. This is dirty, but oh my fucking Jesus. They don't want to buy this thing. Jesus, dude. Yeah, SPY slipping. Tessie's holding nicely here, though, with the SPY doing what it's doing. Not understanding the difference between lifetime and 3-year. Lifetime no longer exists. 3-year is now what it is. So there is no difference. If you're locked in on lifetime, you're good. 3-year gets the same benefits as those people that were in lifetime before we killed it. There's also the lifetime payment plan, which is different. You pay for 10 months and you never pay again. You get delayed masterclasses. And I think that's it. But yeah, remember, 3-year prices are going up at the end of this week. If you want to hop in there with us, you're more than welcome to reach out to Diana and ask. You were like, what? What DM Ohio? On what? Oh, DM. Have you seen the oh, no more lifetime. Yeah. Well, no. You guys are all in. All you guys that were in lifetime before when we were offering it, you guys are still all in. But DM, did you see the midweek masterclass that I did yesterday? I think you're really going to enjoy it. End phase runners up 63% now. Fuck yeah. SPY Night might be setting up nicely on the 3-minute. Yes, it is. Hold on, what's the value on this? 0.08. Yeah. I would love it to come down to this 3-minute 200. Ideally, that's where I would want it to go long on it. How's the Tito's cut? I mean, there's still a giant scar. Oh, you guys ripped the like button today too. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. AMD at 98. I like that. Even after the sell-off, I mean, dude, that Netflix play, I fucking wish I took that one instead of the Google. I wish I saw the Netflix one. That was nasty. That was nasty, bro. It's funny. My hedges are down like horrendously, but my account's up. So it's like, nice. Yeah. Well, Marathon Life, technically there is no lifetime anymore. There's lifetime payment plan where you pay for 10 months, then you're done. But 3 years where you get access to all of the streams, the benefits, and everything like that. SPY 3-minute thigh gap reversal play. I don't really want it. I don't really want that. I mean, you're right at this level on the thigh gap, which is interesting. With the way that the SPY's been moving, I just don't really want it. I already have other positions that are going to move with it. So it's like, whatever. Ideally, I want it at the 3-minute 200 at 402.64. Ideally, I'm being very picky because we can be with the way that we're looking at the thigh gap now. Took SPY for 68% done for the day. Not dude, DM, you're gonna love it. You are really gonna love that masterclass that we did yesterday. I wanna take you away. Holy end phase. Oh, what was it? Wreck It Ralph. This candle right here is where you could have got. Oh, that's the 5 minute. Oh my god. I don't even want to. I'll tell you right here. I mean, this is the real entry right here at 212.50. Right there. That's the cleanest one. You could have been signaled on this candle too, depending on where you got it. You still could have held it through all of this thing too, but that's a nasty trade there. Reese, I honestly, dude, I don't give a shit about your spring. I don't care. Look, it doesn't make any sense. It's down 10, right? Okay, here's what I want you to look at. You have to think about things in terms of risk, reward, and probability. If something's already down 6% and you're going to buy puts on it, you're just chasing. No matter what you say about a spring or whatever, you're just chasing. Yes, it worked out this time, but over time, it's not going to. And that's what I'm trying to get across to you. eBay's still looking good right here. eBay coming back up. I like that. That's about where you entered on end phase. Good shit, Wreck-It Ralph. Yeah, so I mean, again, here's the other thing too. You get this on the 3 minute right here, but it's coming right up to the 13. I wanted this to have a little bit more room to actually retrace, and it just didn't. It's printing. Good. I'm happy you're making money this time. But the thing is that's not going to happen every time. Something down 6% doesn't make any sense to be trading to the downside. Not sure if you've seen this already, but remember when we talked yesterday during the masterclass on the 3 minute? Now look at BABA. Oh my god, you're getting it at the fucking top. 103.98. You literally can top tick it, bro. It's literally top and bottom ticking. Jesus. Reese, you're talking about a specific trade. I'm talking about 5 years of trades. That's what that's what I'm trying to get across to you, buddy. And until you understand that, we're just going to keep going back and forth. You have to realize that that's not a smart thing to be doing. Tessie moving higher again. Dude, that Baba. Oh my God. You guys in Jesus. Facebook? Yeah, I'll take a look at it. It's okay. So here's what I was looking at on Facebook. You actually got 2 of them today. It just happened too early for you to and like make this happen. So the reversal here was in the pre-market, so you couldn't take it. Now you're kind of hunting it to the downside, but like the meta move was 203 to 207. Like this thing was dirty. Now you could hunt it to the downside, but I almost wouldn't because this thing is now showing some decent strength. Reese, you're gonna learn eventually, buddy. It's okay. I understand that it's working on this trade for you, and I'm happy that you're making money, but it's not gonna work overall. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, Facebook doesn't look bad for it. It just needs it. This was the best move on it. Following thigh gap all the way up. Could it come down later? Yes. With the way that the market's moving right now, I almost just want to sit it out for a little bit and just be like, let it do what it's gonna do. Yeah, and it's a shitty stock anyway. Like, why would you want to trade any of that? Let's see. JC, I don't give a shit about chart patterns, double tops, or anything like that. And it's not because it's coming up. Plus, you can't back test it. Chart patterns and all that stuff. I don't give a shit about. Let's see. Nice. Took spy in a 1 minute thigh gap, bottom ticked. Yeah, that's how you, I mean, guys, the things that we were talking about in the masterclass yesterday, we were really talking about it on the 3 minute, but on the 1 minute, you can bottom and top tick. It's just the top tick is going to be harder because you can see it flash around a little bit more in the holding period. I was talking to Gabe about that this morning. It's like, yeah, you can bottom tick it, but you're going to get your get out signal before you really need to. Yeah, I like this. This is smooth, nice and smooth. On that Baba play, I got in when we got the light color thigh gap, but I exited way too soon. Are you always scaling out when you get another dark one? You sometimes scaling out before then? Sometimes I'm scaling out before then. Like if I see the trade up like 15%, I'm scaling it out. Only took you 1 month to raise your port 1,700%. So yeah, I'll pick the 1348 for life. There you go, Kenny. Atta boy. There you go, dude. Big green coming. Spy's ripping up here. I mean, Tessie's back above 196. I'm up 17.67% on those. Clowns. Reese, again, I'm gonna tell you again. When you can show me whoever you're learning from has a video on their channel with their members turning 8 grand into 1 million, and Kenny you up 1,700% in a month with our strategy that we talk about all the time that keeps it simple for everybody, that doesn't involve chasing stocks that are down 6.5%. Then you have some ground to stand on, but you don't right now. You're learning from you. Okay, well that's great. Good luck. But you're not going to be in Print City with us, which sucks for you. Our algorithm right now is up 8.24% on the overall port for the day. Like, come on, guys. What are you doing? Like, seriously. You don't believe Kenny for 1 second? Reese, I've seen it, bro. I've literally seen it. Like, yeah, it's okay. I mean, some people just don't want to believe, and that's okay. I can't save everybody over here. You're up 1,700% since you started. Cool. Kenny's up 17% in like a month and a half. Great, dude. Keep trying to do that. It's going to go against you eventually. I'm telling you right now, you cannot trade that way. Imagine being up 1,700% and going into other people's channels to brag. Yeah, I know, dude. Like at this point, I just don't give a fuck. It's like, all right, you can't say anything about what we're doing over here. The results are out there. The results are out there. Go watch the video in my channel. Like again, we have the best system for newbies to come and learn. Let's see. Ooh, guys, it is 10:29 in the morning. I gave you guys an extra minute today. So that's going to be wrapping up the morning stream for me. Team, here's that link. Come change your life. $5 for your first month. And make sure that you guys are reaching out to Diana to upgrade to 3-year before the end of the week because prices are going up. Team, that's going to be it for me here. Other than that, guys, have a great rest of your day. I want to see you guys all over on Gabe's stream. Other than that, peace.